In today's video, we're going to transform my small closet space into a multifunctional area by changing the countertops and extending the existing dressing table into an L-shaped desk and video editing space. So let's get started. I'm Janet, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll like and subscribe. If you're a returning friend, I hope you'll like and comment. Of course, I'm not doing the work. My wonderful husband, Tom, will be doing all the carpentry and installation. I come up with the vision and he makes it happen. Next month, Tom and I will have been married for 36 years. And how do I show how much I love him? By trying to kill him with all these home improvement projects. But really, he loves doing things for me, or so that's what he tells me. First, Tom will remove the existing countertops that I bought at Lowe's a few years ago, and then he'll move the current cabinets that I also bought at Lowe's. Now for the part that I don't want to watch. Tom will be removing my beautiful baseboards and trim that he just recently installed, but I needed the desk area so I wouldn't be bothering him during his radio nights. Where my current shoe rack ends is where Tom will start building my custom closet, hopefully later this summer or fall. We're debating on which project to do next, but we'll probably start on the outside fence in the backyard before it gets too hot. We're going to do it in sections so we don't have to rush. We live in a Sears and Roebuck 1940s bungalow, and space is severely limited. My closet was an addition onto the house, and we converted it from a laundry room into my current closet and dressing area. We moved the laundry room to the outside porch and enclosed it, and it's off the kitchen. You can still see the vent cover from the old laundry room. Tom will cut this off and add shiplap under the window to match the other side of the wall. Tom's taking down the trim over the shiplap, but we are able to reuse it later in the video. I'm so excited to have my own private space and not be in Tom's way all the time. We love being together, but we don't want to interfere with each other's hobbies. We work together and we're homebodies, but it's never a dull moment when you're married to your best friend. We don't like being apart because we love doing things together. Now that Tom has deconstructed and moved all the pieces, he is adding a strip of lumber to the shiplap to hold the new desktops. He'll secure them underneath with brackets, which will strengthen the countertop and make it sturdy and indestructible. He added screws at an angle to attach to the support beam and anchor it better. Now he is adding another piece of lumber diagonally as a cross brace. Here's the beautiful desktops. I just love the natural look of pine. I was hoping when we bought the house that we would have pine floors, but we got oak instead. Now I finally get to have some pine in the house. I'm still trying to convince Tom to redo all the floors in pine, but unless we win the lottery, that's out of the question, but it could happen. They did not sell the desktops in a large enough size to fit the space, so Tom bought a piece of pine lumber to piece it together. It's in the corner and will be covered with decor, so I don't mind as long as I get my pine. Tom is going to do some light sanding where he had to cut the desk, and he'll go over the entire desk area with the orbital sander before he adds 4 coats of polyurethane, because I'll spill something on it for sure. Tom is doing all this after a long day at work while I'm at my mom's. My mom is in the later stages of dementia, so I feed her, take her outside in her wheelchair, and help my brother get her in bed after work on alternating days. Alzheimer's is an insidious disease, and I don't wish it on anyone. That's one of the reasons why Tom and I have spent so much time and money trying to get healthy, because I don't want to go through this when I'm her age. Here's how it looks after 4 coats of polyurethane. I love it. How do you think it looks? I think Tom did a fantastic job. I'm pleased with how it turned out, and I can't wait to decorate it. I hope you'll stick around till the end of the video. Adding decor is my favorite part, and I can't wait. After Tom cuts down the old trim to fit the new space, he'll nail it back and then get started underneath the desk. He'll add the new shiplap, the baseboards, and the new trim. As I mentioned in a previous video, Tom and I were sharing our spare bedroom as his radio room and my editing room, but it just got to be too much. So Tom built a new desk area onto my dressing area, and I'll show you how that turned out, just in case he gets to paint it tomorrow while I'm at my mother's. But he's still got a caulk. And here's how it turned out. Tom was able to successfully merge my dressing area with my new desk. And I went with a lighter countertop because I didn't want to get rid of the base cabinets I already had. What do you think? Do you like the darker cabinets? I just didn't see spending a lot of money buying cabinets I already had that were functional and fairly new. Tom still has to caulk and paint, but he plans on doing that tomorrow when I'm at my mother's after work. And he also put my beloved baseboards down, and he extended the shiplap all the way underneath the desk. But this will be my desk area. I plan on putting a basket underneath to hold my tripods, and this will remain my dressing area. And I'm going to have to do a drawer reorganization because I got too much stuff. That'll be an upcoming video. And this is how it turned out in the daytime. And I had to show y'all my computer that a co-worker at work built me. And can you see my little cat? He's just working away. But I added this computer mat, and I got my tripods in the basket, a little waste basket, but I got plenty of room. And I got all my things back on the dressing table, and don't mind the mess in the closet. And now let's turn the lights off so you'll see how it looks at night. And I've got plenty of room to swivel back and forth from my desk area to my dressing table. But this is how it turned out. And I love my keyboard, it changes colors. But I think I'll be quite happy in here and I won't be bothering Tom anymore. I just wanted to thank Tom, and I know how fortunate and blessed I am to have him, because ever since we got married he's been making my dreams come true. He supports me through everything I want to do, like doing this YouTube channel. He takes care of the house and the animals, and while I go take care of my mom, and then so I can come back and work on my videos. He builds anything that I ask him to, and it's up here, but he makes it come alive. And so I just want to thank him, and I hope you'll show him some love by giving a thumbs up and leaving a comment, and let me know how you like the desk area and how I decorated it, or if there's anything that you would have changed. Until the next time, I hope you live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.